Myself, Annaka from class 10. Today I will speak about Teachers' Day. Today is a Teachers' Day and also the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was known as great scholar and teacher, who inspired teachers and students. Teachers are the ones who educate society and spread the knowledge. It is believed that educated society contribute to development of our country. This day is more important for us because this day provides us opportunity to understand efforts made by our teachers on us. We recognize and honor teachers' roles in our society. And in the last, I would like to tell Guru Gobind Dev Pade, Take Lagu Paun, Balihari Guru Apno, Govind Dev Patao. Thank you and have a nice day.
गुरु बिना सम्मान नहीं, गुरु ही बनाते हमें महान, गुरु बिना हमारी पहचान नहीं। सुप्रभात प्रधानाचार्य, आदरणीय शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्रिय साथियों, शिक्षक दिवस की आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, शिक्षक दिवस डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन के जन्म दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में मनाया जाता है। 5 सितंबर 1888 में उनका जन्म हुआ था। राधाकृष्णन न केवल एक विद्वान थे और दार्शनिक और हमारे स्वतंत्र भारत के राष्ट्रपति भी थे। उन्होंने अपना जीवन शिक्षा में ही समर्पित कर दिया। आखिर क्या महत्व है हमारे जीवन में शिक्षकों का? वे हमें कठिन प्रयास और नैतिक सिद्धांतों का मूल्य कराते हैं। जैसा कि कुम्हार का मिट्टी के साथ, वैसा ही रिश्ता है शिक्षकों का विद्यार्थियों के साथ। कुम्हार मिट्टी का आकार देने के लिए कभी कठोरता तो कभी कोमलता का सहारा लेता है। ठीक वैसे ही एक शिक्षक विद्यार्थियों के अच्छे जीवन के लिए कभी कठोरता तो कभी कोमलता का सहारा लेता है। मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी उन शिक्षकों का जो विद्यार्थियों के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए अपना कठिन समर्पण और ज्ञान उपस्थित कर प्रयास करते हैं। धन्यवाद एवं शुभ दिवस।
Good morning everyone. I myself Mahek Chaubey from class 12. Today I am going to tell you why we celebrate Teachers' Day on the occasion of Dr. Radhakrishnan birthday. Teachers' Day is a special occasion celebrated across India to honor and appreciate the dedication and contribution of teachers in shaping the future of students and ultimately the nation. Observed annually on September 5th, this day holds the significance, cultural and historical importance. The date is not just randomly chosen, it marks the birth anniversary of one of India's most respected former scholars, President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the man behind the day, was born on 1888 on September 5th. Was a distinguished philosopher, scholar and a statesman who served as the second president of India from 1962 to 1967. Dr. Radhakrishnan was a firm believer in the role of education and the role of teachers in building a strong and progressive society. When he became the president, some of his former students and friends approached him to celebrate his birthday. In response, Dr. Radhakrishnan suggested that instead of celebrating his birthday, it would be more meaningful to celebrate Teachers' Day on the date of September 5th to honor the teachers and their contribution. The first Teachers' Day was celebrated on September 5th, 1962, following Dr. Radhakrishnan's suggestions. Since then, this day has been celebrated across India with a great enthusiasm and respect. I would like to thank all teachers and wishing them a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.